Welcome to our screencast on using the AI Anthropic Claude 3 node in Latenode. Today we'll walk you through a simple yet powerful scenario that demonstrates how to leverage Claude's capabilities in your workflows. Let's break down what's happening in this scenario. We start with a trigger on Run Once node. This initiates our scenario when you click the Run Once button. Next, we have a Set Variables node. Here we're creating a variable to hold the user's prompt or question for Claude. In our example, we're asking, what are the main reasons for using AI? Finally, we reach the star of our show, the AI Anthropic Claude 3.5 node. This is where the magic happens. Claude takes our prompt and generates a thoughtful, informative response. What's great about this setup is its flexibility. You could use it for anything from customer support inquiries to content generation. Imagine automatically answering FAQs, brainstorming marketing ideas, or even getting help with coding problems. The beauty of Claude is its ability to understand context and provide nuanced responses. Whether you're looking for quick answers with the Haiku model or deep analysis with Opus, this scenario has you covered. Remember, you can easily customize the prompt, adjust Claude's parameters like temperature and max tokens, and even incorporate dialogue history for more context-aware interactions. So whether you're building a chatbot, creating an automated research assistant, or just exploring the possibilities of AI, this simple scenario opens up a world of potential. Give it a try and see how Claude can enhance your projects. Thanks for watching and happy automating!